What's up, guys? Today we're going to Walmart to buy some snacks, so let's get in the car. We are in the car now, so we're gonna drive to the store, and this will be perfect. Oh, and we're gonna blur faces. Wrong way. Let's play rock paper scissors. Rock paper scissors. Okay, you won that one. Impressive. Yeah. Nope. Rock, paper, scissors. No, you are so good. Man, I'm the worst rock, paper, scissors player ever. You are amazing at this. Jeez, you are, wow. Okay, one more round. One more. Come on. Let's see. Okay, I quit. But what if they won't let me record in the store? Think about that. The person be like, you can record in the store. I'm like, wait, what if I get you? Can I just blur the face? I'm like, can I just blur the face and like in my faces? Then he be like, the person be like, fine. Like, yeah, imagine that it just happens. This is gonna be a disclaimer at the start of the video. So yeah. So let's start the video for now.
This has been Valerie Simpson with the history of
gosh.
From A to Z on Sirius XM.
Oh my gosh, bro.
It's so time.
Okay, that was a total mistake. Let's do this again. We're not Walmart. We're not Walmart. Wait. What should we do while we wait? I am so bored. Say hi to camera too. Wait. I wonder what we can do. Here's camera 3. Now we're back to camera 1. Okay. Oh, okay, now we're for real close to Walmart. No cap. Let's start. Okay. Wish list. Okay, yeah. I could never achieve this.
Well, sit yourself down, girl, and talk.
Yeah, I'm really bad at this.
Tell me what's on your mind.
So look, we're already at Walmart right now. I just put on really bright. Oh,
Cause
no,
if it was, then you wouldn't be
dark. You gotta take the camera like this, so like, you know. So let's go to the store. Okay, this kind of this music so loud. We're finally about to get out. Okay, we're about to go out here. We're out here. So let's go to the store now. Okay, here we go. This is my first time doing this. I'm not sure if they're gonna record or not. But if it doesn't, we're gonna show you our stuff we bought. Here we go. Camera 1. Okay. We're gonna get some Oreos. Oreo section. Okay. Oh gosh. So this is on camera. Okay. Snake was because I pretty much No. are snacks. This is soaps. I want food. Listen, I will cook. Oh, I caught the camera in 4K. Okay, can we go to the food aisle now? Can we go to the food aisle? Please. Stop. But, okay, we're gonna record until we go to the food aisle. We're going to the food aisle now. That's gonna be so perfect. Ooh, something smoothie. Okay, food time. Bro, where are you going? This sucks. Why is like 3 million people following me? You know my YouTube. Creepy. We are now making the U-turn. Well, actually, it's like a V-turn actually. Digging out. This is like driving me easy. There we go. We're going on track. Okay, now we're going to the food. Now, track. Okay. We're almost to my favorite food aisle. Come on. Now we got to turn left right here. Okay, no one up ahead. We gotta go down this aisle. We made it. Then now, go. Oh, jeez. Pop-Tarts. Yoink. There we go. Pop-Tarts. What do you need to know? No. We're gonna. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Okay, this is chocolate. I want to go. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's go!
Come on.
I am a fan. Come on. Oh, yeah. Okay. It's time for. First, we're gonna get this, then we're gonna get the sodas. Come on, we're gonna get the Oreos, then the sodas, and then the chips. Come on, calm down. Come on. Okay. Hold on, wait a minute. We got some fake Oreos. That was weird. Time to get this. Daddy,
Come on, shit. Quiet down.
I'm not sure how to blur out sounds.
Yeah, now give them a quarter.
Okay. Soda time. Here we go. Over here. Okay.
Come on.
I'm not done. Oh, wait, hold on. Do they have the Pepsis? Let's see if we can find those Pepsis. So we got the fake Fanta. Fake Fanta. Pepsi.
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
Right here.
Okay, yeah. Okay. So let's check out this. Okay, we got it.
Okay, come on.
We are now checking out. Okay. Chicken air. Chicken air. Chicken air. I'm right here. Chicken air. Chicken air. Okay, this is what I usually do. I just take a look at there's an aisle that never know. Oh, look at all this stuff. Ooh, they got wild berry. Nah. Nope. Boom. Okay. We're gonna stop the recording for this part. Probably not. Yeah, we're not recording. Okay.
You don't smell enough money.
Okay. Look at this. Oh, look at this here. Oh, my favorite chips. Man, I can't stop that.
I don't know what all this junk you got.
Wait a minute. First of all, I only got 3 stuff. I meant. Wait, hold on. I only got 1, 2, 3 stuff. And one thing he wanted. And one thing. I got 3 stuff. And 1, 2, 3 things he wanted. So that's the problem. He got more stuff than me. One. Oh my god. Well, Chicken. Caught you in 4K. Oh, you got caught in 4K. Well, I'm catching you in 4K right now. Yeah, I just got, bro just got caught in 4K.
Come on.
Shoot. No. Hold on, wait a minute. What are those stuff you wanted? You have more stuff than me. You have about 3 or 4. I only have about 2.
And I told you to bring you some money with you.
When did you say that? When? Yeah, when? I'm actually win right now. Yeah. Out the store now.
Okay.
I don't know what was he talking about. But, oh my gosh, it's gonna take forever. Woo. What? Spin. I said Aspen. Roll. Everyone needs the minimum. Okay, we got 10. It's gonna be a little dark. I think, oh my gosh. So bright. I have to turn the thing all the way down. Okay. Could go into the car. Wait, I forgot. I could just teleport it. Oh, yes, sir. We are back at it. Ooh. Now we're gonna start driving, and then yeah. Oh wait, we gotta play rock paper scissors again. Oh, we're just gun. You didn't get it this time. One more round. Okay, I was just cheating. Okay, I'm super bored. What? There's a ladybug. No? What? Well, that's the end of the video. I'm gonna be editing this. So, goodbye! I don't have an outro. Let's go!